Welcome back to our podcast where we talk about moving from United States to Spain with SDC International Shipping. And today we're talking about corporate relocation. Many companies think employee relocation is simple. It's about transporting household goods from one country to another. But in reality, it's much more than that. When a company sends an employee to Spain, they're not just moving furniture. They're moving a person's life. They're moving a family. They're moving careers, responsibility, and even future opportunities. When international relocations are poorly managed, employees experience delays, unnecessary stress, and difficulty settling into their new environment. That affects morale, and it affects productivity. And in some cases, it can even impact the success of the assignment itself. The most successful companies understand that relocation is part of the employee's experience. When employees feel supported throughout the process, they arrive in Spain focused, confident, and ready to contribute. At SDC International Shipping, we help companies create that experience by managing the logistics from beginning to end, from packing and shipping household goods to custom clearance and final delivery. Our goal is to remove complexity and create a smooth transition. If your company is planning employee relocations to Spain, visit our website, movertospain.com, or even better, just give us a call at 844-651-7050 and speak with a relocation specialist today.